Welcome to your guide on high-protein foods for muscle and metabolism. Protein is the foundation of muscle growth and plays a key role in boosting metabolism. Whether you're aiming to build lean muscle, enhance recovery, or improve your metabolic rate, incorporating the right high-protein foods into your diet is essential. In this guide, we'll explore 20 of the best protein-rich foods that can help you achieve your fitness and health goals. Chicken breast, a lean protein powerhouse. Chicken breast is packed with high-quality protein and minimal fat. It aids in muscle repair, supports metabolism, and keeps you full longer. Eggs. Eggs contain complete proteins with all 9 essential amino acids. The yolk is rich in healthy fats and micronutrients that aid in muscle recovery and metabolic function. Salmon, rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon helps build lean muscle while reducing inflammation, which can improve workout recovery and overall metabolism. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has double the protein of regular yogurt and is loaded with probiotics that aid digestion and nutrient absorption, contributing to better metabolism. Lean beef, high in protein, iron, and B vitamins. Lean beef supports muscle repair and provides essential nutrients that boost metabolic function. Opt for grass-fed beef when possible. Cottage cheese. This slow-digesting protein source is high in casein, making it ideal for muscle recovery overnight. It also contains calcium, which plays a role in fat metabolism. Tuna. Tuna is a lean protein source rich in omega-3s, which help regulate metabolism by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. Lentils, a plant-based protein option. Lentils are rich in fiber and complex carbs that sustain energy levels while aiding in muscle repair and metabolic efficiency. Tofu, made from soybeans. Tofu is a complete plant-based protein that supports muscle growth and provides iron and calcium, essential for metabolic health. Turkey breast. Similar to chicken, turkey breast is high in lean protein, aiding in muscle maintenance while being low in fat and calories, making it ideal for a high-protein diet. Quinoa, one of the few plant-based complete proteins. Quinoa is rich in fiber and amino acids that support muscle recovery and sustained energy metabolism. Almonds. While primarily a fat source, almonds contain a good amount of protein along with magnesium, which plays a crucial role in muscle function and energy production. Pumpkin seeds, rich in protein, zinc, and magnesium. Pumpkin seeds help in muscle recovery and contribute to healthy metabolism by supporting enzymatic functions in the body. Shrimp, a low-calorie, high-protein seafood option. Shrimp is packed with essential amino acids that help with muscle synthesis and fat-burning metabolism. Protein powder, whey or plant-based. Supplementing with protein powder is an efficient way to meet daily protein needs, supporting muscle repair and helping regulate metabolism post-workout. Bison meat, leaner than beef but still protein-rich. Bison meat provides essential amino acids for muscle growth while being lower in saturated fats, promoting better metabolic health. Edamame. These young soybeans are high in protein, fiber, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, supporting muscle recovery and metabolic efficiency. Chickpeas, a great source of plant-based protein. Chickpeas also provide fiber and slow-digesting carbohydrates, which help sustain metabolism and prevent energy crashes. Sardines, packed with protein and healthy omega-3s. Sardines support muscle maintenance, reduce inflammation, and help regulate metabolic function. Ricotta cheese, a dairy-based protein source. Ricotta is high in whey protein, which is easily digestible and aids in muscle recovery and metabolism stimulation. By incorporating these high-protein foods into your daily diet, you can enhance muscle growth, improve workout recovery, and boost your metabolism for long-term health benefits. Which of these foods will you be adding to your meals?